welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. Now since a long time I wanted to upload something on YouTube that is helpful, and I just don't want to create a random makeup video because we all have watched tons of makeup videos and we are just bored of it. So this video is basically about me showing you guys my perfect pair of high waist jeans from Meesho. So in this video I'm gonna show you some really cool college outfit that you can actually wear in your college and you don't have to worry about body type. In case you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with all your friends and family. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first thing first, I want to show you my perfect pair of high-waisted jeans that I got from Meesho, and these are the jeans that I got from Meesho. Now I couldn't believe that I got this pant from Meesho because it's such a high quality and really comfortable jeans. Now talking about this jeans, you can see over here it has this beautiful design going in the front, and it has a regular button and a chain over here. Now it is a 5-pocket jeans and I love pocket. I don't like jeans which have like fake pockets. I love this jeans. I love the color. Now these are really high-waisted straight baggy jeans, and I have seen these jeans all over the places, but to be honest, I was a fan of high-waisted jeans from the very beginning. I don't like mid-rise jeans or especially low-rise jeans. Again a tip, if you are short heighted, then never go for low rise. Rather you can wear mid-rise, but always prefer high rise. Back it has this elastic thing going on and it has pockets, and it is a beautiful pair of jeans. Now I have been seeing these kind of jeans all over the places, and I got this from Meesho. It was for 1,000 rupees, which is such affordable price for this pair. Now it is very comfortable to wear. From the day I have got these jeans, I have been wearing this day and night. ये बिल्कुल भी उस तरीके से typical jeans नहीं है जिसका fabric बहुत मोटा होता है. It's very lightweight. It's actually सॉफ्ट जीन्स, एंड ये ऐसा जीन्स नहीं है कि जैसे आप पहन के बाहर जाओ तो आपको लगे कि कब मैं घर पहुंच के इसको उतार के फेंक दूँ. इट्स नॉट दैट टाइप ऑफ जीन्स. दीज आर द पेयर ऑफ जीन्स दैट आई गॉट फ्रॉम मीशो. इन केस यू वांट टू चेक इट आउट, then I'm gonna give the code in the description box. You should definitely go and check it out. Now the very first outfit that I want to show you guys is basic t-shirt and jeans, which are like evergreen and you can never go wrong with this. Now here I'm showing you guys mid-rise jeans. Now so here's a quick thing, just because high-waisted jeans are on trend, it doesn't mean that you're not going to utilize your old skinny jeans or mid-rise jeans. So here I'm pairing t-shirt and my mid-rise jeans. This I got from Myntra and it is from the brand Roadster. Now talking about the t-shirt, I feel like jeans and t-shirts are something that are evergreen and super comfortable to wear. Now talking about the t-shirt, you can wear color t-shirt, plain white t-shirt. I got these t-shirts from Ajio. Now all the t-shirts that I'm showing you on this video are all under 200 rupees, and I think that is like super affordable. I have made a separate video on Ajio t-shirts, so in case you want to check that out, I'm gonna give the link in the description box. You can also go for solid colors like black, white. I love this lavender and purple. I got this from Sarojini Nagar for 150 rupees. So I feel like you should always invest in a good pair of jeans, and you can switch your t-shirts here and there and you can got them for like just 100 and 200 rupees and you create a good outfit. Now talking about the second outfit, I wear this same mid-rise jeans and on top of that I wear this spaghetti top. Now I feel like spaghetti tops are effortlessly cool. Spaghetti tops are really inexpensive and just look super cool. Now I know that some of your college might not allow these kind of strappy tops. So what you can do is you can wear like kimonos on top of that, and I love this one. Kimonos are something that never go out of fashion and looks really cool, and I feel like kimonos are super handy after you leave the college. In case you don't want to wear it, you just can, take it out and wear just the spaghetti top. Now the third outfit that I want to talk about is baggy style. Now I love oversized and baggy style. Now this is the outfit that I wore yesterday and I absolutely loved it. Also, you can wear a really oversized t-shirt. Now I got this from Sarojini Nagar. Trust me guys, I got this just for ₹100. It's really comfortable. You can grab it from your father's or your brother's closet. Now you can just tie a knot and just go out there. Now it just looks effortlessly cool and people will think that you have put a lot of effort while creating this outfit. Now the next outfit that I want to talk about is denim on denim. Denim on denim are something that never goes out of trend and it just looks super chic, super cool without any effort. Now for this outfit, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wear my high-waisted jeans. Yes guys, these are my favorite pair right now, and on top of that I'm gonna wear spaghetti top. You can also wear tube tops. Now I feel like this look is already completed. You can wear some mules or shoes and you are ready to go, but just to add more to this outfit, I'm gonna pair a denim jacket on top of that, and this is the outfit guys. It just looks so cool and I feel like denim on denims are so underrated. They should be worn more, and denim jackets are something that instantly changes your outfit and also actually cover you from sun and sunburns. So yeah, definitely invest in a good denim jacket. Now next pair of outfit are for those who feel like normal jeans and t-shirts are really old fashioned and they're just bored of them and they want to try something new. Then this one is for you. Now I'm gonna wear my high-waisted jeans and on top of that I'm gonna wear these tops. I got this red top from Flipkart and I have a whole video on where I showed you trendy tops from Flipkart, so definitely check that out. It also has balloon sleeves, so it's great for people like me who have narrow shoulders. Now the next top is this one. Now this one I got from Street Style store and I have a separate video on that, so in case you want to check it out, I'm gonna give the link in the description box. I really love the neckline of this top and I feel like these kind of neckline suits every body type. In case you want to shine differently and don't want to put a lot of effort, then definitely you can invest in these kind of tops. Also guys, last but not the least, you can wear some really cool looking hoops. Golden hoops are something that never goes out of trend. Some rings, bracelet, according to your preference, but do not over exercise it. In case you don't want to put anything, then you just can wear a watch and always give importance to your shoes. Now buy something that is super comfortable and will go with all the outfits. So that's the little tip that I want to give you, and yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and in case you find this video helpful, then give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video with all your friends and family, and do let me know in the comment box what was your favorite outfit and what is your style. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Hi everyone, what's up? I hope you all are